Hello everyone. In this very short tutorial, I'll show you the small workaround I use when I want to create a sculpt mask based on a selection made in edit mode in Blender 4.5 in order to exclude certain parts of the geometry from sculpting operations. There is, in fact, a way to create face sets from a face selection in edit mode, but as far as I know, there is no direct method to create masks from that selection. However, masks offer several very useful tools that we like to take advantage of. Here's the solution I use in these cases. In edit mode, I select the geometry elements I want to mask. At this stage, I use whichever selection tools are most appropriate among those available in edit mode, such as border select, loops, UV island, and so on. Once the selection is done, I invert the selection in face mode using the Ctrl-I shortcut, then press H to temporarily hide the new selection. This leaves me with only the elements I want to mask. In Sculpt mode, I can now click Fill Mask in the Mask menu to create a mask based on the visible elements. Then, by pressing Alt-H, I can make the hidden elements reappear. I can now use typical mask tools, such as Grow or Smooth, or I can jump straight into using the sculpting brushes and filters. To add or remove parts of the mask based on new selections in edit mode, you can follow the same steps as before. Select the elements you want to modify, invert the selection, and hide everything else. In particular, to remove some elements from the mask, you'll need to use the Clear Mask tool in the Mask menu. Alright, that's it for this very short video. If you found it helpful, feel free to thank me with a like and by subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss any upcoming tutorials. See you soon.